Hey, what up, home skillets? I thought I would go with this hat today since I already look like a barbarian unshaven. So I hope you like my hat. Hey, before we get started, since it's the end of March, I thought we would recognize all of the March birthdays. So check out this list and happy birthday to all the people that are on this list.
We baked you a birthday cake. If you get a tummy ache and you moan and groan and woe, don't forget we told you so. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
I love the Three Stooges. So happy birthday, everybody on the list. All right, let's get on with our lesson. Remember, we're studying the Mongols, so we already talked about Genghis Khan and how he created the empire. We talked about his grandson, Kublai Khan, who took over China and started the Yuan dynasty. And he's the one that had issues with Japan. And remember, he tried to attack Japan twice and was thrown back by the typhoon storms. So now we're going to look at Japan. And we're going to look at Japan and try to understand how they are able to stay isolated. And most of it's due to their geography. So we're going to look with this physical map first. And this is usually part of the mapping activity that we do in class with the 8 questions, but I'm going to walk you through it today. You won't label things, but you're going to answer the questions. So let's start with the bodies of water. So you have the East China Sea, the Sea of Japan, and the Pacific Ocean. And what I want you to do now is I want you to answer, how did these seas impact the people in Japan? Give me some positives, maybe give me some negatives, but how did they impact the people of Japan? Next, we'll look at the mountains. The mountains you can see throughout all of the islands, okay? And these islands all were mountainous. So now I want you to tell me, how did the mountains impact the Japanese? Now, each of these islands are part of Japan. So you have Kishu, you have Shikoku, you have Honshu, and you have Hokkaido. Now, I tried my best at pronouncing those. I think I was pretty close. But these are the 4 islands that make up Japan. What I want you to answer now is, which island do you think was the center of power? And tell me why. Okay, our next map we're going to look at deals with population and where it was located. As you can see over here, the key is going to show you the different shades. So the darkest shade means it had more than 520 people per square mile. The next shade gives you the next number, and as the shade gets lighter, it says it has less people. So look at this map and look where the dark areas are located. Okay, and I want you to answer, where were most of the people located? Don't tell me what island. I want to know what parts of the islands were people mostly located on. Okay, hey, this is a quick one today. So we're just looking at the geography of Japan to see how it impacted the people. Hope you were able to enjoy some of the video and hope you learned a little bit about the geography of Japan. And we will work on some other stuff with Japan on the next video. You guys take care.